Some people doesn't understand. Whoa. I don't know. What's going on? She scared me. Alright, so I don't know if oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on here, guys. There's something going on. My goodness. This is like big with the rainstorm is coming. Big with the rainstorm is coming. Man, this is really big.
I mean, hopefully you see a lightning bolt hit or something.
I agree. I can't see because that rip dropped on me. Ooh. Not until I see the flashbacks. I didn't get one yet.
If it happens to get real windy and things start hitting the truck, just put your head and lay down.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why is he leaving?
Huh?
Why is he leaving? Or is he backing?
He's just getting under it better.
Oh. Oh, just talking about the truck, guys. Yes. My goodness. Whoa. What was that? I don't. I don't know. This is right. Goodness. Oh. Calling Caitlin's mom. My goodness, this is the biggest storm I have ever seen.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 55936119115 is not available. At the tone, please record.
My goodness. I think it's almost over, I believe.
I'll check here in a minute.
I don't know, because it looks like it to me. It's like raindrops. alright. That was a stupid truck, alright.
Well,
Hello, you know there's a tornado watch?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, my satellite's out. I'm watching on my, what I've got recorded, listening now, but I don't have any. Just let me know what's going on.
What?
Let me know if anything happens because I don't have my satellite going on right now. I'm going to check it here in a minute.
You lost signal?
Yeah, but I'm watching something on my domain that I got recorded.
On my radio or radio box?
Okay.
Yeah, I do got a radio.
Yeah,
I know,
maybe
and-
turn it on.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
We're up to under the underpass right now. We're just going to Emporia.
Yeah, and make sure if we can get rid of it. To get out of here.
Yeah, you're like right on the borderline of it. I don't even know why you'd be in a vehicle. Because right along I-35 there, they're talking between 121 and 144 or 162, right around in there. So I'd be very careful right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Dalton. So,
Have you used my radio box yet? The one you
so
Have you seen the glasses that he bought?
MLG glasses.
MLG glasses. You know, oh my God, glasses. Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, you think it's over, alright, but not yet. I don't think... That was not very... What? What? Oh, this is it. There was another one. Strike down. Another for that, sure. There's another truck coming. And the truck's leaving.
Yep.
Why?
I have no idea. I guess I need to look at the weather deal.
Alright.
I'm standing right here.
We're all standing here until it's over. Hope you're being like a chicken over there. Yeah, Storm, I'm talking to you. Oh, it's just a truck. Yeah, I'm like, what is that?
What the hell's he doing?
What are you doing, dude? I'm afraid that the lightning's gonna strike down on him. I'm gonna be terrified. And it's still not gonna get anything, huh? My goodness.
Are you still up? Are you still up?
I think it's not good. See if we got any more strike downs. So, yep. And I'm just going to check around. Nothing yet, but still getting good. I'm not getting any signal on here. I'm getting like, I'm getting 4G, but I have slow internet data now. Because I don't know if I can just really... I wonder if that's gonna happen. Whoa! So big. Alright, we're done now.